Very good morning, students. Welcome to this session. My dear students, today I am going to teach you grammar topic. The topic is articles. Articles are very important in the usage of writing or in speaking. Many of us get confusion how to use articles in English language. Today you are going to understand better. Listen carefully while I am explaining. So, what are the articles? You have already studied in the previous class, just recall. So, the articles are a and the. So, what are the articles? A and the. Now, let us look into the examples I have given on the slide. So, look at the slide very carefully. In the right side column, you see a bat, an umbrella, the sun. In the left side, you see an bat, a umbrella, and sun. So here I have given into mark. That means it is wrong. Here I have given a right mark. That means it is correct. Why it is wrong in the left column and why it is correct in the right column? Let us understand. Let us understand the examples. So, in the first word, in the left column, and bat is not correct because bat is a noun and B gives consonant sound. So, bat is a noun, so B gives a consonant sound. Okay, so before consonant sound we should not use an. So before consonant noun we have to use a, the article a. So a bat is correct. So we are talking about one bat here. Okay, it is a noun, it is a singular noun, so it is a countable noun also. So a bat, we cannot use the an article here, that's why it is wrong. So in the second example, a umbrella, a umbrella. So why it is wrong here? Because an umbrella is not correct in the second word, because you gives here, you gives what sound here? Vowel sound. You should understand. You gives vowel sound. So before vowel sounds, we have to use an. So we have to use an. So here you can see umbrella. Umbrella word. The word started with U. So U is a vowel letter. So what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So A, E, I, O, U are the vowel letters. So before vowel letters, we should use only an. We should not use a or the articles. I hope you understand, children. Let us look into third example. And sun. So and sun is incorrect because sun is one of kind. Sun is one of kind. So we say only one sun. So we don't have two or three suns, but we have only one sun. So sun is a unique thing in this universe. So how many suns are there? We have only one sun. So we are talking about only specific no specific kind. That's why there is only one sun. There is only one sun. So if the thing is very specific, then we are talking about only one kind, then we have to use the article the. So the article, so the sun. So the sun is a correct article. So I hope you understand the difference between the usage of a and the articles. Now let us look into the types of articles. So a and the articles are divided into two types of articles. So what are they? Indefinite articles and definite articles. So now let us look into the two types of articles. Okay. So indefinite article means an article which does not refer to any particular person or thing is known as indefinite article. For example, a and are the indefinite articles. A and are the indefinite articles. So it's not something specific. We can say generally or we can say it in common. Okay. So a or an articles are belongs to the indefinite articles. Now, what is definite article? An article which is used to refer to a particular person or a thing is known as the definite article. So, what is definite article? The. So, definite article is something that refers to particular thing or specific. So, or it is referred to unique things. So, that is why it is called definite articles. So let us look into the rules how to understand the usage of articles. So A is the article comes before singular nouns. So A comes before singular nouns. So the nouns begins with a consonant sound. So you can see here example a rat, a unit, a xylophone. So you can say there are other examples also a book or you can say a box, a lion, a tree. So article A comes before only singular nouns. You have to remember very carefully. So next article is an. An comes before singular nouns that begin with a vowel sound or silent letter. Sometimes we see the words started with H. So here H is silent. That we have to remember very carefully. So whenever you come across the word started with A-E-I-O-U, then you have to use an before that word. So this you have to remember carefully. Sometimes you come across words started okay with H. So here H is silent. For example, you see here an adult, an adult. So adult, the first letter is A. The first letter is A. So an adult. So before A, we have to use an. So second example, an X-ray. Here X, you may be thinking X is not a vowel letter, but here X is pronounced as E. You know the sound, it sounds like E. So E is a vowel letter. That's why it is called an X-ray. Third example, you see an heiress. So H is silent here. H is silent. So heiress. Okay, an heiress. So you can see some other example, an hour, H is silent, an honest, H is silent here, okay, an eraser, an egg, an old man. So like that you have to be very careful and an used before vowel letter only. So we have to remember very carefully. Now let us look into the articles. So we use the when a person, place, animal or thing is mentioned for the second time. For the second time. So the is a definite article. This is used before a noun to indicate that that the identity of the noun is known to the reader. So for example, you can say the stranger, the shopkeeper or the dog. So here you can see the example here mentioned. We have a test tomorrow. So it is mentioned for the first time. A test. What is mentioned here? A test. See in the second sentence, we want to do well in the test. So we are repeating the test. So in the first sentence, a test. Okay, it is indefinite article. So when we are talking about the same thing, okay, mentioned for the second time, then we have to use the test. So that indefinite article becomes a definite article. This you have to remember, my dear students. So we also use the when it is clear which person, place, animal, or thing is being referred to. So we use the when there is only one such thing. So we have only one moon and one sun. So we use before moon, the sun. Let us look into some of the universal truths. So before universal truths also we use the article the is used before universal truths. So the milk is white, we cannot change this, it is universal truth. Okay, the milk cannot be black or it cannot be green. Yes or no, my students? So second example, the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east, every day we see that. Okay, third example, the earth revolves around the sun. The earth revolves around the sun. So these are the universal truths that we cannot change it. So before universal truths, definitely we have to use definite article the. So next we see the used before the names of rivers and seas. For example, the Ganges is a sacred river. So we can see other name of the rivers like the Godavari, the Yamuna, the Ganga, the Mississippi. Okay, like that you can find the names of the rivers. So the also used before the names of oceans. For example, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, no, the Arctic Ocean, the Southern Oceans, like that. So the also used before the names of the deserts. Like for example, the Thar Desert, the Sahara Desert, okay, the Gobi Desert. Like that, you can find many deserts in the world. And the article also used before the names of the landmarks. For example, I live behind the fire station. Or another example you take, I'm living behind the Greenfinger School. Behind the Greenfinger School. So this is a landmark. So again we can see the article is before the names of monuments. So the Taj Mahal is a famous monument, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar, the Charminar. So next one, the also is used before the names of natural wonders. So for example, the Niagara waterfalls found in North America. And also the article is before the names of newspapers, magazines and books. So for example, the Times of India is a popular English newspaper. We can give another name of the newspaper, the Hindu, the Indian Express, like that. So the article also used before the names of hotels and restaurants. So the Land's End Hotel is near the shore, the name of the hotel. So the names of the places ending in plural, yes. Okay, for example, the British Isles are group of islands of the northwestern coast of Europe. And the also used before the names of places containing the word of. Okay, for example, you see the United States of America, or you can say the United Nation. Okay, like that we come across some countries. And basically we have to remember very careful, my dear students, here. Okay, and a or an should not be used with plural or uncountable nouns. Okay, we should not use a or an before plurals or uncountable nouns. For example, you see first word, a chairs. So we cannot use a chair because chair is chairs is a plural noun. Yes or no? Chairs is a plural noun. So we cannot use a chairs. But you can say a chair singular. But when it is a plural noun, we cannot use chairs. So a chairs. So we have to use as chairs. So next one is a tables. We cannot say a table because tables is a plural noun. Tables is a plural noun. So it should be as it is, tables. So a rice. Here rice is a noun and rice is an uncountable noun and we cannot count it. Yes or no? Can we count rice? Nobody can count the rice. So we should not no change. We cannot change. We cannot use a. So just we have to say rice. Next one, a sugar. Again, sugar is uncountable noun and we cannot use the article a or an before sugar. So just we have to say sugar only. So next one, a plants. So we cannot say a plants. Just we have to say a pair of plants. We cannot say a plants or an plants. Next example, an information. So here also we cannot use an information. So it is a plural noun or uncountable noun. So we cannot use an information, but we can say for information. A news. It is also plural noun. So we cannot use a news or an news. Okay, just we have to use news. Just we have to say news. So my dear student, you have to be very clear and we should not use a or an before plural or uncountable nouns. So I hope you understood about these articles I hope this video help you to understand better about articles. So once again, you go through the video and understand how to use the articles in a proper way. Thank you very much.